Hello my friends, it's Sheree. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and welcome to Thrifty Thursday, and that's hashtag Thrifty Thursday, which is an open collab hosted by me, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. But let's see what I got at the thrift store, or what thrifty goodies I found in the past week or so. So yeah, I found some stuff I love here, some kind of unique stuff. So let's start at the bottom because I'm going to pile it on my chair over here and I will need everything to balance, right? So let me move this up a little bit and over, and I will dig out the bottom part here. So this was at the thrift store. Of course, it's scrapbook paper. And let's see, this one says SBW. Is there two here or one? I'm confused. I thought there was two here. Hold on, maybe not. I guess there's one. Okay. So yeah, this was at the thrift store. So it says 180 sheets right there, and they look like they're all there. I don't know where it came from as far as originally. I've never seen this brand before, but let me show you what's inside. So I just looked at it to make sure it was something I could use. This is weird. Wait a minute, hold on. It's weird because this is the cover, and you open up. Well, this is colored, and then, okay, it's weird because I'm not seeing color. I'm seeing white here, and then color, and then, okay, it's different. But I like this because I like vintagey. I have like the Paper Studio, a couple of those, and they're real vintagey, and they're really nice for the vintagey, more maybe less colorful journals, but I also like colors, so I went ahead and got this. I don't remember how much it was. I don't see a price on here. It wasn't very much. That was at the thrift store. I wouldn't have got it if it was very much anyway, because I know the last pack I got like this, it was something like this at Hobby Lobby Paper Studio. It was only $10. It was on a half price sale. So, if it was only more than a few dollars, I wouldn't have got it, because I know I can get it brand new at Hobby Lobby when they have their sale, a big paper. Oh, here it is, $2.99. I didn't see that. Okay, so let me show you what is in here. It's a lot of colorful paper that I would use, of course, in a more colorful journal, one-sided, and, cut it up, whatever I want to do with it. There is even some like retro looking we just saw there. And that's cool, mid-century modern type, just pretty. I would use them in, there's that one again. So I would totally use, this is Christmas. Is that Christmas, or is it Lifesavers? Is it peppermints or Lifesavers? I think it's I don't know, I guess it could go either way, but I think it's peppermints, but I'm not absolutely sure. But yeah, I would use these totally in a little golden book journal, anything like that, where you're using a children's book or a more colorful book, like I do to make journals, or Christmas, if there's some reds in here, spring, Easter, any of those types, Valentine's Day. Just very pretty paper, right? And I spritz the back with my food coloring. And I could coffee dye these too if I wanted to. And it might even, like the brighter ones, it might tone it down a little bit. Or I could even do it like you do I wonder how it would work. I've never tried scrapbook paper like we did with the Astro Brights, where you put coffee on them, then you put them in the oven and you put the colors together, and they kind of meld, the colors blend, like a green and a blue one would possibly turn purple? Is that? No, blue and red might turn purplish. So yeah, that is really neat to do that. So I don't know, I could try it on these and see what happens. Oh, that's pretty. See how they're just pretty? So yeah, I will totally use this. So I went ahead and got it. I mean, it's a lot of paper for $2.99. Not that I needed it, but I'm trying to use everything, and when I think of something, I'm trying to not save it. You know what I mean? Like I said in my video a couple days or a couple weeks ago, I'm seem to have, it's not like I'm hoarding it, it's like I'm saving it for the perfect spot, but sometimes it's like I never find the perfect spot, so then I end up like having it forever. So I'm trying not to do that. So yeah, so I'm I'm not trying to use things as fast as I can. I'm just trying to use them. Basically, is that what I'm getting at? So yeah, look at that. I really love that blue. So yeah, all sorts of colors in here. Very interesting, right? So that was one thing I found at the thrift store. And then let's see. Let's go with thrift store stuff first. I think I found all of this on this. Oh, there is another paper pad. I was like, I thought there was one. It was hiding under the fabric. So this one was only 99 cents, and I have bought this one, I think, before at Walmart. It says pattern pack color block. Oh, French prep. Yeah, here it is. I think Walmart still carries this one. And it's a very vintagey paper. I believe it's one-sided. Let's see. Yeah, one-sided. But yeah, I think I might even still have some of this one. But this one is what, not sure. Walmart keeps keep edging up their scrapbook paper prices a little bit now and then. So it was $5 for one-sided. I think they might be like $7 now. And the two-sided was $10, and they might be like $12 or $15 now. I'm not sure. I'd have to look. I just have so much scrapbook paper now, I don't really look at Walmart scrapbook paper unless I think I see a clearance price tag or something. But I haven't seen any of their... Oh, here's some scraps in here. These are not mine. These were in here. So it's nice whoever had this left their scraps in here for me. So, yeah, this was... and I would totally coffee dye this. This is a totally kind of paper that I would totally coffee dye, and it would look absolutely beautiful with the coffee, like even coming through the front here on these white space, white spaces and lighter spaces. So yeah, I love this one from Walmart. I'm glad I found one for 99 cents. So yes, I love that one. That's one of my favorites that Walmart does carry. And let me go with this bigger things here first so I can keep my stack going. I found this two types of fabrics that I could not resist. Like, I didn't want to buy any fabric, but it was so beautiful I had to, and the price was right. This one, it's a lot of fabric, as you can see here. Just a lot of yardage, and it's this red kind of cream or white, but not stark white, and it's got these little green Christmas trees here. So of course that will be beautiful at Christmas, and yeah, just really beautiful, and so much of it at a very good price. And then this one too. Oh, there's two here. Let's see, this one. This one. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Okay, I'm trying to see what I have here. Okay, so these are all different. Okay, so and do they all have different price tags on them? I think they were hanging together at this particular thrift store. They hang there. They hang. A lot of them. Goodwill does too. This wasn't a Goodwill though. But they hang it up, and it's. I think these are all hanging together. They're all similar. They all coordinate. But this one looks like this. They're all fruits. So I want to make a strawberry journal, and it might be, and I have been collecting things, and it might be end up being a fruity journal. Let's see, because this has lots of fruits on it, cherries and pears and apples and things like that, and it's very vintagey looking. And then this one has the fruits also in a different pattern, the same types of fruits as this one, but a different pattern. There's quite a bit of it here. And then this one looks like it has either cherries or apples. They look more like cherries because they're so small, but all this, the fruits again in the different colors is the cherries. Let's see, this says Fresh Pickings by Artistic Expressions. Here's the selvage edge if you recognize it. I do not. I don't usually, I haven't bought fabric new in a long time, so I don't really pay attention to the brand names. So let's see, two more thrift store things. These two things right here I found together, don't know if somebody was looking at them or what, but they were with the electronics. And I said, ooh, what is that? So 2 containers. They came in these containers. And let me do the big one first so I can put that on my pile and keep everything from falling over. But this is little, I've never seen these before. If you've seen these, maybe you can tell me where you saw them. Like, did you see them at Hobby Lobby or Michael's? I've never seen them at Michael's, but usually I'm in there on my lunch break and I don't have time to really look around at the whole store. You know, every little thing, but they're little puzzle pieces, and some of them are blank, you know, like this. These would be great in clusters, or, you know, just putting this down and adding a little something to it, a little flower or a little button or something. So little puzzle pieces like that. And then some of them have words on them, like this one has brother, this one has romance, there's one that says together. And I saw that there must have been some blank ones, whoever had these before me. And this one is, she wrote the name Thomas on here. See that? So that's, if you, yeah, Thomas. This one says promise, kind. And there's basically these 2 different sizes, it looks like. This size, about 1.5 inches, or 2, I don't think it's quite 2 inches. I mean, it could be though. And this little one here, like 1 inch or less, kind. So aren't those cute? I have never seen anything like that before, and I thought, wow, that is really cute. I can totally see myself gluing this down on a pocket and with a little flower beside it. I mean, that would be adorable. Or even on a tag or something. So I can't wait to try those out. And then this, oh my goodness, a little treasure chest here. So it has all these little compartments in it. And very organized, but most of these are, let me show you, these are brads. Most of these are brads, but not all of them are brads. And they're all these little containers that just, they have a little flip lid even. Like, look at that. It's so cute. I've never seen anything like this either. I'm sure if I haven't looked hard enough because I haven't really needed anything, but I don't know if she got it on Amazon or Michael's or whatever. But this one has a couple of tiny, or let's see, 2 tiny buttons and some tiny safety pins. Hope this is focusing for you and there's not too much glare, but isn't that cute? So all different colors, from tiny brads to not so tiny but not big or anything. And of course they fit in these little containers, like this one has a zillion little brads. Okay, this one has little brads. Wow, they're so tiny, but so great for junk journals. This one has those little like hang tags, but in colors. I have some of these in bronze, I believe, something like this anyway. But these are super cute little tags, like they're little metal tags. If you've seen these, but these are colored ones. Let's see. This one is what are these? Paper clips. I think these are little paper clips, like swirly paper clips. Trying to hold them so you can see them, and so I don't have to take them out of the thing. Oh, these are little, like, well, I don't think these are technically called brads, but they are like a little circle with 2 prongs on it on the outside instead of the inside like brads. The prongs are on the outside. Interesting. Some more brads and more. Oh, these are like tiny flower brads. Didn't I find a little treasure chest here? Let's see, in the back. Let me see what's different here. These are like little square brads, some tiny ones and some tiny bit bigger ones. Hope you can see in there. I don't want to take time to take all of these out right now. And they're a little bit hard to get out of here. Let's see, these are more flowers. These are, I have looked at these, but maybe not every single one of them. Oh, there's a little, oh cool, there's a little clip in here. Let me see if I can get one of those out. It's warm outside today, but it was cold in the house, so I have a jacket on. Like these little clips like this that you put on a page. I have seen Jessica Rapp use those. They're like little, you can use them like little tags or little clips. I was very tempted to order some one time because she showed how she used them in a journal. I was like, oh, those are cool. You know, I like the little metal pieces, but I never ordered any. So there I go. I have a couple there. More tiny brads. Let's see, these look like square pink ones, square purple ones, pink ones, all different colors, all different colors, all different colors. These are more, let's see, kind of brighter colored ones. I don't know if I can get them out right now. Here we go. Yeah, see what I mean? There's a heart-shaped one in there. Oh, there's some round ones in there too. See, those are brighter colored ones. So isn't that cool? I was like, when I found them, I was like, oh wow. How much did I pay for it? $2.99 for all that. I'm sure it cost a lot more than that originally. I know I bought some at a little package of brads at, it was either at Michael's or on Amazon, and I'm trying to think, they were $2 or $3, something like that. So imagine paying $2 or $3 for each one of those. And yeah, so good deal there. Okay, on to Dollar Tree. I picked up these ribbons, 3 ribbons. I like these colors because like this blue one will go with a lot. Maybe you've seen this one there at Dollar Tree. I'm trying to hold it so you don't have any glare. It's like, they're all like fabric ribbons, and this one has like a linen look to it, and this one too. But this one's pink. And I just thought these would go with a lot. You know, I got that slot punch where this size ribbon fits through that little slot. So I want to make sure I have some of this size. And I have some skinnier ones, and I have some bigger ones, but not really a lot of this size right here. And this one too, I really loved this kind of tangerine and white kind of gingham there. And then I saw this at this was from Walmart. This wasn't at Dollar Tree. I keep an eye on the fabric at Dollar Tree, but I haven't really seen any that I love. So, you know, I haven't bought any there recently. But like I said, I want to make a strawberry journal. And at this one there's a really big Walmart in my town, and there's one I can go to on my way home or on my lunch break in another town where I work. And that one, my local Walmart does not have the fat quarters like this. They have the square ones, but they don't have these little round pieces. And so they didn't have these strawberry prints. And I really like this color with the turquoise and red. And actually, I just really love it. So I thought this would also be beautiful along with that other one I just showed you to make different types and different colors of strawberry journals. So hopefully I'll get on that soon and dig out all that stuff and use it. So yeah, I think I'm about ready, because that was the one thing I didn't have, was what am I going to make a cover out of. So guess what? Now I have something to make a cover out of. So exciting. So I'm going to put this stuff away, and I'll see you in my next video. If you want to participate in Thrifty Thursday, I'm the host. So just link my channel in your description box. Use the hashtag in your title or on your Instagram, and tag me also on Instagram, and I can find you and other people can find you. And it's any Thrifty Thursday you want to participate, just use the hashtag. I'm sure you maybe have seen it out there, or if it's your first time, there's lots out there, so check it out. And I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great day, and happy thrifting.